When you think of Europe's great capitals, those cities that immediately spring to mind: Paris, with its iconic Eiffel Tower; Rome, steeped in ancient history and home to the Colosseum; and London, a vibrant metropolis crowned by Big Ben, probably top your list. They're the usual suspects, drawing millions of tourists each year. But there's a city, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered, on the Atlantic edge, where the continent meets the vast ocean, that's quietly dazzling. A city that captivates without shouting: Lisbon, Portugal. A city of terracotta rooftops and sun-kissed streets. For years, Lisbon was Europe's best-kept secret. A place whispered about among seasoned travelers, full of charm, with its colorful buildings and intricate tilework, history, evident in its ancient monuments and winding alleyways, and incredible food, from fresh seafood to delectable pastries, but without the crowds. A relaxed atmosphere permeates every corner. Unlike its louder neighbors bustling with tourist hordes, Lisbon is effortlessly authentic. It retains its unique character and soul. Its 7 hills offering panoramic views at every turn, iconic yellow trams rattling up steep inclines, and soulful music, the melancholic strains of Fado echoing through the streets, tell its story. Each element contributes to the city's rich tapestry. Here you feel like you're truly experiencing something special. You've discovered something real. A genuine connection to a place, a city alive and unpolished. It embraces its imperfections. The vibe is creative, with street art adorning unexpected corners, not chaotic. A relaxed pace of life encourages you to slow down and savor the moment. Lisbon blends its seafaring past, a legacy of explorers and navigators, with a modern, innovative spirit. It's a city looking towards the future. Wander a Moorish castle in the morning, soaking in the history and the stunning views, then sample bold new cuisine, innovative dishes that reimagine Portuguese flavors, in a buzzing market by afternoon. The energy is infectious. Old and new, tradition and innovation dance together, creating a unique and harmonious blend on every cobblestone street. Each stone whispers tales of the past. In a world of look-alike cities homogenized by global trends, Lisbon stands out, a beacon of individuality, unapologetically itself. It doesn't try to be anything it's not. Grand plazas open from winding lanes, a delightful surprise around every corner, ancient ruins, neighbor startup hubs, a testament to the city's layered history, and the scent of grilled sardines, a quintessential Lisbon aroma, drifts on the sea breeze. The Atlantic's influence is ever present. Lisbon isn't trying to be something it's not, the next Rome or Barcelona. It has its own distinct identity. It's just Lisbon, pure and simple, and that's more than enough. It's a city that leaves a lasting impression. If you want a city with soul, a place that resonates with you on a deeper level, this is it. Lisbon is waiting to capture your heart. Let's explore why Lisbon is truly Europe's hidden gem. Lisbon is a visual feast, a vibrant tapestry woven with history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. It's a city that awakens the senses and captures the heart. Buildings splashed in warm ochre hues, soft pink and calming blue, all meticulously covered in hand-painted azulejo tiles, each telling a silent story. The city glows with a magical golden light, especially during the golden hour, gently bouncing off the tranquil waters of the Tagus River and the majestic white-domed cathedrals that punctuate the skyline. Hop on the iconic vintage yellow tram 28, a true symbol of Lisbon, for a charming ride through its steep winding hills, and down the enchanting narrow streets, past the vibrant daily life unfolding before your eyes in every sun-drenched corner. Lisbon's famed 7 hills mean a plethora of breathtaking viewpoints, the Miradouros, where seemingly endless terracotta roofs stretch all the way to the shimmering river and the iconic 25 de Abril Bridge, reminiscent of San Francisco's Golden Gate. Each neighborhood possesses a distinct character, from Alfama's labyrinthine medieval alleys, steeped in history, to Bairro Alto's buzzing nightlife, a haven for revelers, and Bellem's grand monuments, testaments to Portugal's golden age. Every district has its own unique flavor and personality, eagerly waiting to be explored and discovered. The city's captivating beauty is omnipresent, everywhere you cast your gaze, and every single view feels like a perfectly composed postcard ready to be sent. Lisbon's food is pure joy. Fresh Atlantic seafood, smoky grilled sardines, and the legendary pastel de nata custard tart. Every bakery has its own secret recipe, and sampling them is a delicious mission. As you eat, you might hear Fado, the city's haunting, emotional music, drifting from a tavern. Fado captures saudade, a deep, beautiful longing that's the soul of Lisbon. The city's history as a launchpad for explorers is everywhere, from Belém Tower to Jeronimos Monastery. Lisbon's adventurous spirit is baked into its DNA. Here, tradition and discovery go hand in hand, and every meal, every melody, tells a story. Lisbon isn't stuck in the past, no, not at all. It's a city constantly reinventing itself, always evolving and adapting to the times. Old factories like LX Factory, once symbols of industry, are now thriving creative hubs, buzzing with energy and innovation. They're filled with unique shops, inspiring studios, and trendy restaurants, offering a taste of modern Lisbon. As you walk down ancient streets, you'll stumble upon sleek, modern coffee shops, cutting-edge design studios, right beside traditional family-run groceries, a testament to the city's diverse character. The old and the new blend together seamlessly, creating a unique atmosphere. It's a city that's layered, vibrant, and very much alive. Lisbon is rapidly becoming a tech hotspot, proudly hosting the Web Summit, and attracting bright innovators and entrepreneurs from all corners of the globe. Yet, its authentic character remains deeply rooted. Innovation only amplifies its inherent charm, making it even more appealing. It enhances the city rather than erasing its rich history. Affordability is another aspect that sets Lisbon apart from other major European cities. Here, you can indulge in world-class food and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, all without having to break the bank. Both locals and visitors often mingle and share stories in the same bustling cafes and vibrant markets. Lisbon simply feels genuine. A truly living, breathing city, and not just a carefully constructed tourist theme park. It's a remarkable place where history and modern hustle coexist beautifully, creating an unforgettable experience. Lisbon is a city with soul, warm, welcoming, and unforgettable. It invites you to get lost in its streets, savor its food, and soak in its golden sunsets. Lisbon offers the grandeur of a capital with the intimacy of a small town. In a world of over-tourism, it stands out for its authenticity and charm. The city is evolving, balancing innovation with tradition and sustainability. It's the little moments, a friendly nod, a tiled facade, a shared laugh, that make you fall in love. Lisbon doesn't demand your attention, it earns it. Come for the history, stay for the food, and leave with a piece of its heart.